Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic and oregano oil. First, you'll need fresh garlic and dried oregano. Begin by peeling and thinly slicing about 6 to 8 garlic cloves. The more surface area, the more flavor. Next, measure out 1/2 cup of a good quality olive oil. This oil will be the foundation for our delicious infusion. Now, let's infuse those wonderful flavors. Combine your sliced garlic and the olive oil in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture very gently over low heat for about 15 minutes. It's crucial not to let the oil boil. We want a slow, steady infusion to extract the garlic's essence without burning it. Keep an eye on it to ensure the garlic doesn't brown too quickly. Once the oil has infused, remove the saucepan from the heat and allow it to cool completely to room temperature. This step is important for safety and flavor. Next, carefully strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve into a clean, airtight bottle or jar. Discard the solids. Store your freshly made garlic and oregano oil in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks to maintain freshness. Your homemade garlic and oregano oil is now ready to elevate your dishes. Drizzle it generously over pasta, salads, or roasted vegetables for an incredible flavor boost. It's also fantastic as a dipping oil for crusty bread, or even brushed onto grilled meats. This versatile oil adds a gourmet touch to so many meals. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to check the link in the description below. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.